Hey YouTube, alright, so I got the lab coat, so I've decided I'm giving myself a promotion. I am now Pokemon Professor Gravel Monkey, and this is a real lab coat. I used this when I was doing various lab things. Um, but that's not what you're here for. Um, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are deck building today. We're going to be making a standard deck using what we pulled from the um, TCGO packs from Wednesday, right? Yeah. So, if you don't play and you want to learn how to play, um, or you don't know how to deck build and you want to know how to deck build, um, I'm going to kind of explain what I'm doing as I'm building it. And just what we build today won't be the final draft because I'm going to, as the weeks go on, I'm going to open more online packs, get better cards, edit the deck, play the deck, and when it doesn't work, we're gonna need to fix it. Um, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to Deck Manager, and these are the decks that I currently have. Some are pre-made theme decks, like this Ocean's Core one. That's actually pretty good. It's very successful. Um, but we want to build a new one, so create a new deck. We want standard, and then it's gonna down here. It's gonna give us all our standard cards. Um, looks like in standard is, hold on, hold on. So look, validation standard. So everything that's allowed is going to be present. And then since we pulled I think it was Zacian V the other day, um, I want to go with a metal type deck, a steel type deck. And then I'm also going to pick colorless because it helps us kind of fill some stuff in. So first thing, very first card I want to use. Oh, I saw another one I want to put in there, but I want to go all the way over here. I'm going to put this in first. Absolutely have to use that. And then I saw another card, so Stack Attacka. Like, you don't necessarily want to fill your deck with GX cards because, like, with Stack Attacka, for example, let's see. If you right click on it, it'll pop up like this. So both attacks only use 3 energy, which isn't bad. That's a lot of damage for 3 energy. Has an ability, your Ultra Beasts can take 10 less damage from your opponent's attacks. So if I had other Ultra Beasts in this deck, this would be great. Like, if you have an Ultra Beast deck, fantastic. Um, and then you can only use 1 GX move per game. So this attack does 50 more damage for each prize card you have taken. So 50 damage plus however many more sets of 50 damage. So that might not stay. And then with Zacian V, again, 3. You can do this every other turn. 3 energy to be able to do a 230 damage attack every other turn. Ability is Intrepid Sword. Once during your turn, you may look at the top 3 cards of your deck and attach any number of metal energy cards you find there to this Pokemon. Put the other cards into your hand. If you use this ability, your turn ends. So basically, it's like doing your attack, but you don't actually attack, and um, it still ends your turn, and it doesn't cost any energy. That's the word I'm looking for, is energy. And then, so I'm about to point at my screen. You can't see what I'm pointing at, so I'll use the mouse. So since this can be used every other turn, you do this, and then 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 you do this, and so on, right? Of course, we need to add Snorlax, uh, colorless energies, normal type energies, whatever you want to call it. They're called colorless. You don't really need Munchlax because it's not necessary to evolve the Snorlax. I'll probably put that Meltan in there as well. That's what I'm looking for right there. I have this card in real life and love it. So I'm actually going to add both of them. So I have two of them in game. Add both of them here. Um, you want about 22 energy. It's a 60 card deck. 22 energy, just statistics wise. Um, you're gonna draw energy frequently enough to where you shouldn't need to worry about it, based on the shuffle. This goes for TCGO and the actual physical cards. Um, and now that I've got these like kind of bigger dudes, let's see. Let's start throwing some other stuff in there. So you want to have high HP, high attack. Um, you don't want everything to require a whole bunch of energy when you're attacking, because like when the game starts, you only have a couple energy to use, right? So like uh, this Dodrio here, 2 energy per attack, but you have to play a stage one. You have to play Dotrio first, not Doug Trio, Dotrio, first, and then evolve from this. So if you're gonna have Dodrio in there, Doduo, wow, wow, that's embarrassing. Oh well, we'll get over it. We'll get over it. I only have one of these though, so ideally you'd have 4 of your basic or your stage one evolutions, and then 2 of the stage two, and then if it has stage three, 2 of the stage three. Um, what's Ditto do? Choose one of your opponent's Pokemon's attacks and use this. Oh, if this Pokemon doesn't have the necessary energy to use that attack, this attack. Okay, so it's not pay, or it's not use one colorless energy and just do whatever you want. You have to be able to have the energies that the move requires. Okay, so that's kind of important. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is hard. It's going to be a lot of like one-offs right now because I don't have a whole lot of the same copies of cards. So Ferrothorn, see, I can't throw that in. I was about to throw this in, but forgot that I need the stage one evolution, which I don't have. Ooh, man. So let's see, 22 energies. That leaves me with 38 cards. You want some trainer cards. Let's say 15 trainer cards, which might actually be too little. But so 38 minus 15 is 23. So if we say, let's just do 44, 18. Let's do 22 Pokemon, 18 trainers, 22 energies. Let's go ahead and, well, we'll do our energies last. Just because I need stuff and it looks like I don't have a whole lot to use, we're going to have to throw in. So there's actually, that's pretty good. So we're going to throw both Kangaskhan in there because 1, 2, and 3, you got to move for 1, 2, or 3 energy. 120 HP. It is a basic Pokemon. That's pretty good. Lickitung, draw 3 cards, slammed, flip 2 coins. This attack does 50 damage for each heads. So it's a gamble, but it's 100 HP. So let's keep that in mind. This one here, 100 HP, flip a coin until you get tails. This attack does 20 damage for each head. See, I have 6 of these, 3 of the previous Lickitung. Then the next one, you're guaranteed to do 30 damage. And potentially paralyzed, but it's got less HP. I only have 1 of these. So I think I'm gonna go with 2 of these and 2 of these. Mawile. Let's see. Find a friend. Search your deck for a Pokemon. Reveal it. Put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. That could be actually really nice to use. Crunch, discard an energy from your opponent's active Pokemon. See, this would be worth having in there just so you can start getting rid of their energies. Again, I only have 1, so it's not ideal, but it's what we got. Um, one of these, one of these, one of these. Okay, so here's, for example, like I was saying earlier, I got 4 Pidgeys, 2 Pidgeotos, 1 Pidgeot. Ideally, I'd have 4, 2, and 2. But I can throw this entire evolution line in there. So I'm going to because um, it'd be nice to have that. And you see how even marks like this evolves into this. This evolves into this. Excuse me. So that's kind of nice. Porygon. Discharge. Flip 3 coins for each head. Search your deck for an energy card. Reveal it. Put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Sharp point does 10 damage. So I mean, it's good for energy retrieval. That's pretty much it for that one. This has a double draw. Ooh. Okay, so it's okay. You need Porygon to get the okay. I see. Um, we already have the Snorlax, I believe. Yep, right here. Rolling tackle. So that's some good damage. It's high energy cost though, so keep that in mind. Tauros. I might throw these Tauros in because I need 3 more cards to get to the 22 that I wanted. And this video is going on kind of longer than I thought. So, oh, okay. Tell you what. Actually, we're gonna throw in 2 of these and a Silvally instead because I like these HPs. I like the attacks and the damage that it can do. So, all right, cool. On to trainer cards. So these are also standard. Um, I'm only going to do one battle with this deck today just for the sake of not having a super long video. Um, so acro bikes, I have 5 of them, but in future videos I might do 2 or 3 battles per video every Friday, depending on how long the battles last. Look at the top 2 cards of your deck and put one of them into your hand. Discard the other card. Could be good if I'm hurting for cards. Air Balloon. The retreat cost if your Pokemon this card is attached to is 2 colorless energy less. Beast Bringer. If you have exactly 6 prize cards remaining, and if your Pokemon's active Pokemon, or your opponent's active Pokemon, is GX or EX, uh, if their active GX or EX is knocked out by damage from an attack of the Ultra Beast this card is attached to, take one more prize card. That's very specific, and I only have one Ultra Beast, so I'm not going to use that. I do. Let's see. What are the ones that I love using this. Okay, buff padding. The Pokemon this card is attached to has a retreat cost of exactly 4 and gets plus 50 HP. That's great. So we're going to use that. Crushing Hammer. Flip a coin. If heads, discard an energy attached to one of your opponent's Pokemon. That's kind of cool. I'm going to throw 2 of those in there. Shuffle your hand into your deck, then draw 6 cards. I'm going to put 4 of these in. Because that's very useful, especially if you've got a hand that's just not working for you. Energy retrieval. I like to use the cards from the same set. So I'm going to use 4 energy retrievals. And then I want some double colorless energies. I know I have them. Or not. Ooh, draw 3 cards. This is what I was looking for. But before I do that, so you want to be careful you don't draw too much because if you draw out and you have no cards left in your deck, you lose. Like instant loss. Um, I'm looking for something specific. Okay, here's the potions. So 4 potions. How many did I say? 18? Oh, no, I said 16. Okay, that's it for my trainers. This is probably the thing that's going to change a lot is my trainer cards. And then because I've got just metal energy requirements and colorless, actually most of this is colorless, I'm just going to throw in metal energies. So where are those at? Oh, RIP fairy types. No more fairy types in the TCG. Do we have any hollows? No. Okay. Well, let's use. I have infinite ones of these, so we'll just do this. And then we said 22. I don't want to double click this 22 times, so. Okay, that should be, yep, 60 cards in deck. Perfect. I don't think I have any doubles. No. Okay, that's it. So we will Oh, that would have been nice to. I wish I'd seen that earlier. And then you can pick a coin. You can pick card sleeves. Let's export deck. I want to save the deck. So pick my coin really quick. I'm going to go with maybe that Zekrom coin. Yeah, we're going to go with the Zekrom coin. Deck box. Gotta go with the Snorlax. Card sleeves. I'm going to go with the Elite Trainer Zacian card sleeves. Save. Oh, I forgot to name it. Let's name it really quick. New deck. Deck 1. Edit. How do I rename it? Up here. Ah, okay. New deck. Sword and Shield Standard. Save. All right. Let's go ahead and play a game. Let's do versus. Told you I wouldn't do any of the versus ladder reset. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. We're gonna play. Oh, this is still standard. I don't even remember what's in that deck. Oh, I didn't build this. Yes, I did. It sucks though, so we're not gonna use it. All right, let's do it. Standard, all decks, looking for opponents. So while that's finding that, oh, we found one. That was quick. Never mind them. OBGYN Kenobi. Okay, fair enough. Let's do tails. Oh, heck yeah. No, I do not want to go first. I love going second. I feel like there's a strategic advantage to going second, so I like to go second. Man, this video is my longest video so far. You have no basic. Okay, so it's going to make me mulligan because I have no stage 1 Pokemon. Yes, I'll take my mulligan. It's going to shuffle for me. After you. Before you drew. Done. Oh my goodness. Wow. Do I want that down there? Or do I want. Tell you what. I'm going to throw Lickitung here. And then you pick your bench Pokemon as well. And as you can see, you can't see what's going on yet. Hit done. I have 3 energies. So do I want to stack on this or stack on this? I think I might stack onto the Eevee Snorlax tag team. Usually I'm okay with losing my original active Pokemon. Like, I'm okay if I'm expecting them to knock out my Lickitung. That's why I buff up my Snorlax now. Oh, they've got the cool Pikachu coin. I love it. I want this deck box. I probably have it and just didn't look. Okay. And there you go. 4 right there. What's this? What's you? Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to use his ability. It's going to end my turn, but I can't do anything right now anyway. I can't use this because they don't have any energy, so I have no reason to try and discard. So ability, we'll take that. Done. And that attaches it straight to my Zacian V. And that worked out really nicely. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what this guy does. The maximum amount of time one of these matches can take is 25 minutes or 50 minutes. 25 minutes per player. Okay, that could be a problem for me. We'll see. Yep, he's buffing that. He's getting ready. This does 210 damage. That has 208 HP. So I'm probably going to use my GX move on that. Switch one. Oh, all right. Fair enough. No, no, don't make me shuffle my hand. Oh, dear. I had all the energies I needed. And now I only have one. Well, like I said, statistically, what are you? Oh, he's got one too. Um, Statistically, I should be fine with my energies. I should draw into plenty of them. There you go. Just like that. One, two. Um, we'll do this. Give him 50 extra health. Attach one energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon. Ooh, oh, ooh. Okay. You know what? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna attach it to this. There's a Snorlax card out there that when it's asleep, it does extra damage. So I don't know if that's standard anymore, though. It might not be in standard anymore. Okay, metal saucer. Attach a metal energy from. It won't let me see that. Oh boy, what's this? Aurora energy. Okay. I need one more energy on Snorlax, and I can start knocking out that tag team card. If I do dump truck press and then Megaton friends. Hey, look, Snorlax. Oh no! At least I got an energy retrieval. So when energies go into the graveyard, discard, not graveyard, that's magic. Discard pile, then I can take them back. Two of them. Oh, be nice. Be nice. Discard pile. Search your deck for up to 3 basic energy cards and attach them to your Pokemon any way you like, then shuffle your deck. 150 damage. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. We're gonna do this one for now. Hopefully get one more energy and then knock it out. 360. 360. Oh, he's gonna do it because 180 plus 180. Sorry, I'm like mathing right now. Oh, all right. He didn't want to lose it. I don't blame him. Luckily, I have energies in here, so I can, if I draw those, I can heal at my Snorlax EV tag team. See what happens. We're at 23 minutes for the video. So if you stuck around this long, thank you very much. Um, Go ahead and let's go for 10 likes. That's all, just 10. This twice, 10. That's all we're going for is 10. Um, and that'd be sweet. Like I'd be super happy with that. Um, so if you have any suggestions for how I can make this deck better, if you already know how to play this, you're still watching, go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead and tell me what I should do to fix it. If you saw that I had a card that would be better than a card that I've added, say like, "Hey, dude, change this." I'll be like, "Okay, probably." 220. Ooh. No! No, he's dead. He's gone. And he gets two prize cards because it was GX. Oh boy, I might not win. Three? Four? Okay, how? How on earth? Oh, I have to look into why that happened because that makes no sense to me. Why were they able to do that? Why could they take 4? That just doesn't make any sense. Oh man, okay, well, it is what it is, I guess. 230. That's enough to knock me out. Why did I put this out there? I should have retreated, is what I should have done. See, I'm good at knowing what I should have done after I've done it before they do anything. Oh, okay. All right. We're gonna start buffing Snorlax here. All he has to do is knock out. I don't know why he switched, because he could have knocked this. Oh, he didn't have enough energy. Okay, fair enough. 150. Can't quite knock this out. That could help me out. Draw how many cards? 4. Well, oh look, I got my other one. I mean, and he gets another. Does he get 2? How does he do that? Well, that's a loss. 120 damage. Like that was really bad. But it is what it is. Well, thanks for hanging out. Let's just get rid of, where is that? That right there. Just get rid of that, and then you can see my beautiful face. Well, thanks for hanging out. Sorry I didn't win. If you didn't know how to build decks, hopefully that helps a little bit. I tried to explain as best I could. Clearly, I'm not the best at it, and this deck will get better, and we will edit it and keep using it and using it and using it. But for now, that's what I got. So thank you so much for sticking around. Have a great day. I've been Pokemon Professor Gravel Monkey. Have a great day, weekend, everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Couple days. Thanks for hanging out. Bye, guys.